Hey everybody, hello. I welcome you to this live trading session, our live webinar today on the topic which is gonna be extremely useful to you. So first I want to take a look at your questions if you have any, and of course I will take your questions, as many questions as you want. I also want to know if everything is working fine, so I will take a look at the chat box and know if everything is working fine. Okay guys, it seems everything is working fine and we are good to go. So I welcome you warmly to today's session, which is about the London session breakout strategy. And as you can tell that London session breakout strategy is a very important topic if you want to become a forex trader and you have time in the afternoon. Now I am talking about an Indian person. If you are living in India and you have some time in the afternoon, let's say 1 hour only, then you can become a profitable trader if you want to follow the London session breakout strategy. And what is a London session breakout strategy? We will precisely discuss that today in our session. I am going to start and I will of course take your questions as well. So guys, you are always welcome to send me any questions. As you know, I always take your questions and I try to answer all of them. So first of all, there is Trader Wild G, big fan sir. Okay, thank you so much Trader Wild G. There is Vikash Gupta ji, thank you so much. Thank you so much Vikash Gupta ji. And Deepak Kumar Modi, hi sir, it was very good evening. Okay, great, thank you. Hi team octafx. Okay, I will also request the admin of our team, octafx team, to please put the link to our Telegram channel, because you guys please go ahead and join our Telegram channel. We keep posting a lot of educational content in the Telegram channel and it is for free. So you guys are most welcome to join the Telegram channel, because you can get a lot of good tips and ideas in the Telegram channel. I hope it will be helpful. So without wasting any time, let's go ahead and see what we got today. There is Asha Singh. Hi Asha Singh ji. Angela ji is there. I am beginner. Can I trade only UK 100 cash with small account? You can, but I will suggest you to go ahead with the gold. Angela ji, please trade gold, because gold is much better than all these assets. So I will strongly recommend that you start trading gold. Manoj Patra ji is there. Good evening sir. Good evening Manoj Patra ji. Walaikum salam Khan ji. Bhavik ji is there. Sir, I have a question which is not to our webinar. Okay, no problem, you can ask me any questions, of course related to trading only. Sir, I have a question which is not related to webinar, but since long back I am following one Telegram channel wherein they provide screenshots of the trades booked in profit but not in advance. Okay, so Bhavik ji, please go ahead and join the Telegram channel, this Telegram channel which the admin has shared. It will be extremely useful for you, because we keep posting, I personally also keep posting a lot of good educational content in the Telegram channel, and I trust that you can get a lot of good ideas in that Telegram channel. So please go ahead and join the Telegram channel guys, everybody. Okay, thank you. Welcome, Angela ji. Bhavik ji saying this, the only option to transfer the amount was Skrill, Bitcoin, USDT or Western Union, but I don't have these international wallets. Munni Devi ji is there. Hi. Bhavik ji, you can go ahead and transfer your amount in the octafx with all the available methods. Now almost all the methods I think are available, so you can go ahead and check. I think there is also local bank transfer for Indian people, so you can go ahead and make the deposit in octafx account. And okay guys, let me share with you the important code which I think will be useful for you. So I will just share with you the promo code, you can see, and if you want to double your deposits, go ahead and double your deposits with this code, please. Okay guys, I hope you got the code, and I hope you will use this code, because this will help you double your deposits in the octafx account. Okay, and you want to double your deposits, then go ahead. So I will also give you a little bit of idea about today's market, which is actually, I'm watching the gold market. And thank you so much, admin. The admin has also posted the code, which is Saeed WS. Okay, so Bhavik ji is saying, is it possible, sir, that I can get trapped by such things? Bhavik ji, please make your decisions wisely and do not trust the people who claim to be telling you something. So I don't know what you are talking about, but I will not recommend that you should go and send money to those people, because those people might not be trustworthy. Okay, that's why please don't do it. I strongly recommend against that. Okay, I strongly recommend against that. So don't do that. If you ask me my suggestions, please don't do that. Okay, so I can see somebody, Sipu Kumarji is saying, I lose 50 US dollar. Sipu Kumarji, that's not a big deal. It's okay, it happens with us all the time. I am a professional trader, but even then I keep losing money sometimes, even now, I mean nowadays, but I try to gain it all back, and I do get it all back whenever I'm trying well. So whenever I'm trading well. So please don't worry about this. Please keep yourself educated about the Forex, and it will help you. Sipu Kumarji, please do not spam the chat. Jigme Sherpa ji is saying, sir, I just trade in euro and I don't want to change to other currency now. What SUD I do? Okay, what should I do? You can just trade in the euro. That's not a problem. That's not a problem. Jigme ji, you can just keep trading in the euro USD. That's good. It's a very good currency. It is actually fantastic. And Jigme ji, I will also share my own London session breakout strategy with you, which will actually help you in the euro USD. Okay, so please stick around, because I will discuss the London session breakout strategy. Excellent. God Power G is saying, hello, I am new here, I already have octafx and deposit money inside, so I followed up your teaching and I really enjoy and understand very well. Thank you so much. Excellent. God Power G, thank you so much for sharing your experience. I hope our education will help you, and our education will help you in a lot of things. Okay, so let's go ahead. And Cristiano Ronaldo is there. Which candlestick are using? Okay, so Cristiano ji, we don't use candlesticks over here. We only use the bar charts, as you can see, because the bar charts, I believe the bar charts are used by the professional traders, and the candlesticks are used by the noobs, the small traders, the retail traders. That's why I think it's better, it's much better to use the bar charts and do not use the candlesticks. Okay, so let's go ahead. I will discuss our today's strategy, but I will use a different currency. As you guys, you know that these currencies are, I mean the currencies which are useful in the forex market are different, and the currencies, the gold is different. So you I hope you guys already know this very well. So what I am going to do today is I am going to discuss with you my London session breakout strategy. I can also see so many questions. Thank you so much, guys. You can always ask me many questions. I will note them and I will answer your question. Okay, excellent. God Power is saying, I want now when I will enter the market. Okay, so you are asking about live trading recommendation. Excellent, God Power ji. I will write down live trading recommendations, right? So recommendations, live trading recommendations. So 1, 2, 3. So we can have all these. So first of all, you are asking about Euro USD, right? God Power ji. Excellent, God Power ji. You are asking about Euro USD. So I will write down the live trading recommendation of Euro USD. Okay, so you are asking me the live trading recommendation of Euro USD. I will do that. I will give you. Mr. Ayubi is there. Walaikum salam, Mr. Ayubi ji. Thank you for coming. Excellent. God Power is saying I'm from Nigeria. Okay. Thank you for coming. Jigmi ji. Okay. Angela ji is saying please one more. Yes. You can. Angela ji, you can always ask me questions. No problem. I actually like questions. So please ask me as many as you want. Okay. So the question is, what time does the gold market makes most moves? And as a day trader, what time frame is good to trade gold? Okay. So the questions are coming up, and I will take your questions as well, you guys. So your question is timings for gold market, right? So timings for gold market, you are asking about timings for gold market, and these are the questions from you guys, right? So I will tell you the timings for gold market, no worries about that. What else do we have? Bhavik ji is saying thank you so much, sir Saeed. After watching your webinars, I only have trust on you as my mentor. Thank you so much, Bhavik ji. I hope my teachings will help you. Thank you so much, really. Okay, so Taha Khan is there. Hello sir, please tell me how can I start learning technical analysis. How to start learning technical analysis? How to start? So your question is how to start learning technical analysis, right? Technical analysis. So that's your question. I will address that question. Okay, so what time frame do you use? Okay, so what time frame do you use? As you can see, I am using two time frames. One is the 3-minute time frame, and the other is 15-minute time frame. This one right here is 15 minutes, and this one right here is 3-minute time frame. Currently I'm using two time frames, so 3 minutes and 15-minute time frame for analysis. Okay, so hello sir, what is the correct time to trade in the afternoon? Okay, so correct time to trade in the afternoon, right? So that's the question. I will take that. And Jigmi ji is there saying, sir, can you take a live trade with us in Euro USD, because I think market is good for profits. Okay, Jigmi ji, we will do that. No worries about that. We will do that. Okay, so a live trade, but unfortunately the problem is I can take the live trade when there is news or something like that, because currently if the market is not moving within 1 hour of our session, then it will be hard to take a live trade. But I will do that. I will try to do that. So for that, I will open the Euro USD market and see what I can do. Okay, so I will surely do that. Okay, so what else do we have? We have Muhammad Umair ji. Assalamu alaikum. Volume को देख के कैसे trade करते हैं? So you are asking about the volume reading skills, Muhammad Umair ji. You are asking about volume reading skills. Okay, so you are asking about volume reading skills. Number 6. So any more questions, guys? You can always ask us the questions. Okay, so okay, Saeed Khan is there. Salam sir, current is UT bar, right? So this one right here, this one, I think yes, it is a UT bar. You are right, Saeed Khan ji. You are right. This is a UT bar. But I don't know if the market will come all the way down, because the market has been going up for quite a lot of time. So I know you are asking about the gold. I know you are asking about gold. So yes, this is a UT bar. This one is a UT bar, but the market might not take this UT because the market seems to be in an uptrend. We don't know yet, so we will know if the market comes down to this level and then takes a spring, then we will be able to make a buy trade. Otherwise there is no trade in the gold right now. Okay, here Transplant G is saying, in MetaTrader price difference of buyer seller is more. Do we trade market value. Yes, here transplant G, we have some difference because of the spreads in the market. That is a natural phenomenon in the market. You will see this in every platform. So that is, yes, that is there. So Simon G is there. How can I start a perfect trading strategy? Okay, Simon G, I will give you a perfect trading strategy. Trading strategy, I will give you a trading strategy. Okay, Simon G, I will give you this trading strategy. And what else do you ask me, guys? Ronaldo is asking what should be lot size and profits and pips. Okay, so the lot size, how much should be the lot size, right? So that's the question. That's the question you want to ask me. You can ask me more questions, guys. You can keep your questions coming. I will answer all of your questions in a lot of details in a little bit. Okay, after a little bit of time I will answer all of your questions. So Saurabh Ji is there. Hello Saurabh Ji, thank you for coming. Namaste. And okay, guys, so let's go ahead, and first I will discuss our topic for today, which is the live which is the London trading strategy, London session trading strategy. So first of all, we will start. As you can see, this is the current roadmap for our webinar. I will start with this, and I will draw all the key levels in advance. So let's do it right now. First of all, always select. Try to understand this very important point. For London session strategy, for London session, select only European currencies. Okay, guys, this is very important. So you should only select the European currencies. And what are the European currencies? Now you might know that the European currencies are the ones in which there is GBP or there is Euro. So what I will do is I will give you a list of all the European currencies which you can trade in the London session. Okay, so I will try to give you the full list, so of all the currencies which I think are okay for a London session trader. So first of all is the most important currency, which is GBP USD. The other important currency is Euro USD. You can say that Euro USD is the first one or GBP USD is the first one, it doesn't matter. Okay, but these two are the top ones, GBP USD and Euro USD. And what else we have? And then we have GBP JPY, and of course we also have, okay, so this I will put it over here, and I will give you the other currencies as well. You can see that we have USD CHF. So these are the three major currencies. So there is Swiss franc, there is Euro, there is Great British Pound. So these are the three important currencies, and now we will have the cross pairs of all these currencies. So GBP JPY is the cross pair, and in the same way you have Euro JPY, you have GBP JPY, and you have Euro JPY. Okay, and you also have what? You also have USD. Okay, so CHF JPY, and of course you also have GBP CHF. You also of course have what? You of course also have Euro CHF. And guys, so I hope you understand, I hope you get the idea that all these currencies, you can trade all these currencies in which there is Euro or GBP or CHF. If there is a currency pair in which you have any of these three currencies, one is GBP, the other is Euro, and the third one is CHF, then you can make a trade in all these currencies. Okay, so these are the three important currencies, and of course you can also get some more things, some more currency pairs from this. So this is the list of pairs which I will encourage you to select if you want to trade in the London session. Okay, so this is a very important idea. Just note down this thing, please, that you have to select only the currencies which are suitable for the London session. Now I do not encourage you to trade gold in the London session, because the gold in the London session might not be a good idea. Okay, so don't trade gold in the London session because it might not be good it might not give you the good opportunities. Sometimes it will give you good opportunities, but other times it will not give you good opportunities. Okay, so always please be careful with the with the with the with the gold. Okay, so there is Simon G is saying, how can I start? Okay, so, perfect trading strategy. I will give you the strategy. Lot size I already noted. Please say tips for identifying accumulation and distribution. Okay, so I will write down this question, very important question. So the question is reaccumulation, how to identify reaccumulation or distribution. Okay, how to understand if this will be a reaccumulation or a distribution. Yeah, that is a very important question, because sometimes it is very difficult to know if this is going to be a reaccumulation or a distribution. Okay, yeah, I know that. Sir, please can you draw key levels? Okay, I will draw the key levels. Saeed Khanji, I will draw the key levels. Draw key levels. Okay, I will do it right now, so we don't need to write it in the questions. Mukul Kumar ji is there. Mukul ji is saying, Guruji, today I lost in Canadian dollar. Okay, no problem. That's not a problem, Mukul ji. You know, it's okay. It's okay. No problem at all. Okay. You will get it all back in the future. You know this very well. Okay, so excellent. God Power G is saying, please sir, trading in London, does it mean the London time? Yes. Excellent. God Power G, London session means in the London, the opening of the London session. Okay, I will tell you what are the timings for the opening of the London session. Okay, so don't worry about that. According to your country. So if you are from Nigeria, okay, so excellent. God Power G, can you please tell me how many hours of difference is there between Nigeria and UK? We can also search that. So let's do a little bit of a Google search, and we will know, and I will tell you what's the difference. So time difference between Nigeria and UK. So London, let me write down London. Okay, so Nigeria and London. So the time difference between there is no time difference between Nigeria and London. That means you have the same time. That means you can do it just like the London session. Okay, so what I will do is I will assume that you are as if you are living inside London, because you have the same time. Okay, so there is no difference between the time zone difference between Nigeria and London. So you can just go to your platform, this trading view, and go to this one. Okay, so now I will get rid of two screens. Now we have one screen, and go to this place, guys. Go to this place, and since you are in India, what you will do, you will go to UTC plus 5:30. UTC plus 5:30. So this is the Indian time. This is the right for Indian time. And for those of our listeners who are in Nigeria, you can go to the UTC. Just go to UTC, and that will be your time. Okay, just go to UTC. That is your time. So what we do is we start the trading of London session at what point in time, at what time of the day. So I will give you exactly the London session strategy. So what I will do is, you will see that we start. Okay, so I will go to, let's say, 5-minute time frame. All right, and I will remove everything, and I will make all the key levels as you guys were asking me about. So this is the beginning, this is the start of the London session. The London session starts at 12:30 according to Indian time. So this is where the London session starts. Now according to Nigerian time, just go to this one and click the UTC, and you will know that the London session starts at 7:30 p.m. 7:30 a.m. in the morning. Okay, 7:30 a.m. So you can actually start your trading day in Nigeria. You can start your trading day at 7:30 or maybe at 8 a.m. 8 a.m. will be okay. So I will go back to the Indian time. and you can see that this is the Kolkata, so this is Indian time. And you can also of course do it with the gold, but as I told you, the gold does not give you many trading strategy, many trading opportunities, so you should stay away from gold in the London session. But in the New York session you can always trade gold. Okay, you can always trade gold in the New York session, but don't do it in the London session, because in London session it might not give you the opportunities which are as good as the GBP USD or the other currencies these currencies will give you. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and see what's happening. So Kumar Saurabh ji is saying, sir night के लिए कोई सी currency important है और कौन से pair best है right night में. Okay, so Kumar Saurabh ji, if you are trading in the night, then you should go to the daily time frame. Don't do it on 5-minute time frame or 15-minute time frame. Do it on the daily time frame. Go to this point and you can see there is daily time frame. Where is the daily time frame? It is right here. One day. So go to 1 day time frame. It will be very slow, but it will give you good opportunities, and there will be no trading opportunities every day. So sometimes there are no opportunities. Okay, on the daily time frame sometimes there will be no opportunities, but Saurabh ji, you have to be patient about that. Okay, so guys, let's go ahead and see what else we have. So we have over here the, okay, so I will of course I will give you the live trading recommendations at the end, and you can ask me what other live trading recommendations you want other than Euro USD. Okay, so the currencies will be these ones. So these are your currencies. You will only trade these currencies in the London session, and what you will do, you will go to the, so this is the beginning of the London session, not here exactly at 12:30. Yeah, this is where the London session starts. Okay, 12:30. Yes, 12:30. So this is the beginning of the London session. So what I will do is I will go to the previous day. So this is today, right? So this is today, and this is where the London session will start. So I have highlighted the start of the London session, and you can see that I will draw all the important levels. So this is an important level, right? Why? Because this is yesterday's high. So this is yesterday's high, and what else do you see? A very important level. I think this is the one. This is a very important level. This is yesterday's low, and you can see this is fantastic opportunity on yesterday low. So what else do we have? Do we have other levels? Yes, of course we have. So this is one level. Why? Because you can see there is this the market is going up and then falling down. So this I think is going to be an important level. I will mark it as yellow. And some other levels, of course, yes. So you can see this is an important level because of this guy right here. This is an important level, so I will make it red and a dashed line. Any other levels? Of course. So I think this is one level because of this one, and I don't see any other levels. So what I will do is I will adjust these levels, and I think we are good to go. And now I will start today's session. Okay, so I think we also do have a level over here. Okay, so what I will do is I will start our today's session by drawing all the other levels for today. So these are the levels, as you can see. These are the important levels for today, and I will make a trend channel out of these, and I will put it over here. And you only have to trade, remember guys, you only have to trade 1 hour or maximum of 2 hours of London session. Okay, 2 hours of London session, that will be enough. So I think these 2 hours will be enough. So I will go to 3-minute time frame, and as you know, these are the currencies. So I have selected what? I have selected GBP USD among all these currencies. So will go to this point, and you see these are the only 2 hours which I will trade. So do we have any trading opportunities right over here? Well, yes, not now, but I think this is the trading opportunity. This is a fantastic opportunity. Why? Because you see it is just falling down in a downtrend channel, and you can also make a line over here which will tell you that this point is overbought. So this is overbought. I will put it over here. You can see that this is overbought and it is also coming down. So what I will do is I will sell over here. I will put the stop loss just above this point, and where do we target? We will just target this point. Just 2 hour will be enough. Okay, so 2 hour is enough. And what else do we have? Do we have any other trade so far? Not yet, because I don't see any other trade so far. But then we have a strong bull move from here. Then the market comes down to this level. I will make a level over here. I will draw a line, and then you will have some more opportunities. Do we have a spring over here? Well, yes, we have a spring situation right over here. And if you make a buy trade, this will be fantastic. Just make a buy trade, and then you can target this level, or maybe this level, or maybe this level. Okay, so if we target this level, then it is gonna be how much? 5 hour in a single trade. So you see, this is one more trade. So 2 trades you have already done. If you want to do more trades, you can, of course you can do it, but it will be more than 2 hours, remember that. Okay, so if we put a line over here, you have another trade right around the corner. So you have a third trade right over here, and you got stopped out. You get your TP hit over here. So how many trades? You get 3 trades, roughly 3 trades in 3 hours, which is fantastic, isn't it? This is fantastic for the day. So you are done for the day when you have 3 trades in your pocket. Okay, and you can trade, you can make all these trades in any of these currencies. You don't have to trade in the GBP USD. You can trade in any of these currencies, and that will be just fine. Okay, so you don't have to target the GBP USD. You can maybe go for London sessions, other currencies which are Euro USD, or maybe USD CHF. That is also a European currency. Remember, all the European currencies will be fine. Just stay away from the unknown currencies, just like Swedish krona. Don't trade Swedish krona or something like that, because that might have a lot of commissions. Okay, so don't trade the strange currencies. Always trade simple currencies and the currencies which are readily available. Do we have any other trades? Well, yes, we have, but we do not need to use all these things. We are just done for the day. Okay, do you want to find trades in the gold in the London session? Yes, you can do it, but I told you the gold might not give you good opportunities. But let us explore, just for the sake of fun, and let us explore and see, can we have some good trading opportunities in the gold? Well, yes, you can see this, guys. You can see this. This is a fantastic little trade over here. If I buy over here, I will put the SL just below this, and I will get the TP somewhere around this level. So maybe I will exit here, or I will exit at this point, because the market is now falling. So I will exit. How much? It is 2R. And then it is going down, but going up again and falling to go up. So failing to go up, what I will do is I will take another trade. Why? Because the market seems to be overbought right over here. How do we know it is overbought? Because just look at this. Just look at this, guys. Just look at this. The market is overbought in this trend channel, right? And then it is coming back to test the same level of trend channel, the same trend channel. Then you can enter one more time and sell over here. Put your SL above this, and now you can easily target this level or this level. So you can easily target this level. How much? Okay, so roughly 3R. It is going further down, but it is giving you roughly 3R. Do we have a spring situation over here? Yes, you have. You have a spring situation right over here. What do? You have a spring, you can make a buy over here. So you have a very, very clear spring, and you can make a buy trade right over here. If you go to 3-minute time frame, it will give you even better opportunities to trade. Okay, so let's go to 3-minute time frame and see if we have any better opportunities. I think this is the opportunity, right? This is the opportunity, and then I think I will exit over here, or maybe over here. Okay, and then I will sell over here, and it is falling down. Okay, so I will exit maybe somewhere around this level, and then you have another trade. This is the spring situation. So you buy over here and target the same level. If you make a buy trade over here, just target this level, this much. So how much? 3% from this single trade. Again, the market is coming to the same level and giving you another opportunity. What do? Just make a buy trade one more time, and you have this one. You buy over here, again target the same level over here, 3.5%. But the market keeps on going up and up. So this is how you trade, guys. Very easy to trade in the London session because there is a lot of volatility because of the opening of London session. That's why I always encourage you to trade the London session. Do not trade other sessions. But of course, I will also give you in the next webinar, the next week, I will also give you the New York session trading strategy. Okay, I will give you the New York session strategy as well. Don't worry about that. But we have London session amazing trades which I can show you. Okay, so Saurabh ji is asking, मेरा मतलब गुरुजी नाइट में कौन से पेयर वॉलेटाइल और लिक्विडिटी ज़्यादा होती है जिसमें नाइट में प्रैक्टिस अच्छी हो. Okay, Saurabh ji, please do not trade in the night because the volatility is not much in the night. Okay, in the night there is not much volatility in the market, so I will encourage you to stay away from the market at the night time. Do not trade at the night time because there are not many traders in the night time. Hair transplant G, there in the New York session there is so much volatility in the market, so I will encourage you to trade in the New York session. If you want to trade in gold, do not trade gold in the London session. Okay, and do not also by the same token, do not trade other currencies. Do not trade the European currencies in the New York session. Okay, why? Because the New York session is not good for, sometimes it's not good for the European currencies. Sometimes it is good, but most of the times it is not good for European currencies. For the New York session, you can only go for the gold. Okay, gold and natural gas and oil you can also trade, but I will encourage you to stick to the gold because gold is the best one in the New York session. Alright, so guys, I am waiting for any other questions if you have. Otherwise, I will go ahead and discuss the topic. I am looking at the chat box. Alright, okay, yeah, so GBP JPY, I will give you the live recommendation for GBP JPY. I will give you. So I will write down the GBP JPY in the list of live trading recommendations. GBP JPY GJ, okay, GJ, I will write down. Saeed Khan is asking, sir, your strategy Asia high low is also a key level. Yes, Saeed ji, it is also a key level, but I will give you the ideas about the Asian session in a next webinar. Okay, not today. In our next webinar, we will discuss about the Asian session strategy. Not today. So spare me that, because I will discuss about the New York session and as well about the New York session as well as about the Asian session in a next webinar. Okay, so guys, let's go ahead and now I will take your questions. Now. So question number 1 is timings for gold. Okay, so I told you already that the timings for gold are the New York session timing. So what are the New York session opening time? So question number 1 is about timing for gold. All right, so this was the question. Somebody asked me this question, so I will write down this one. Timing for gold, the best timing to trade gold is either in the beginning of the Asian session, which is very early morning, and it might not be available for our friends in Nigeria. So for Nigerian people, it might not be available because it is way in the night, maybe very, very early in the morning, so 3 a.m. or something like that. So you can stay away from the Asian session opening strategy, but it is very much available for our friends in India. Okay, so the people in India can easily trade the opening of the Asian session for gold. Number 1, that is the timing. The other timing for gold is very, very clearly the New York session. Okay, so these two are the timings. Can you check Euro USD is oversold? Okay, Saeed Khanji, I will check the Euro USD if it is oversold. I think so. Yes, it seems to be oversold. But you cannot be sure that if it is oversold, then it will turn back. We don't know. It is not showing any strength right now. So what I will do is I will say that right now there is no trade yet. Okay, but it seems that market is trying to break this trend channel. If the market clearly breaks this trend channel, then I will be willing to buy over here if I see a spring. So I will wait for the market to go up a little bit and then come down slowly and take a spring over here, and only then I will be willing to make a buy trade over here. Okay. Is index trading safe, or just currencies and gold are the better instruments to trade? Bhavik ji, you can also trade index, and you can trade the index of various countries according to their timing. So for example, you want to trade S&P, you can trade it in the New York session. You want to trade, let's say, FTSE index, FTSE, which is the UK index, you can trade it in the London session, and they are also safe, but they have very different risk management, risk parameters. Okay, what is the London time as per Indian time? As I told you already, Krishna Kant ji, the timing for London session according to Indian time is this one. Is you can say that it is roughly at 12:30, but you can start your trading journey from 11:30 onwards. That will be fine. Okay, so you can start 1 hour before the London session, and you can go on 2-3 hours into the London session. So this is the timing for for our friends in India. Okay. The next question: how to start learning technical analysis? So this is a very interesting question. How to start learning technical analysis. Okay, so of course I will say that you can watch my webinars, because I have been giving many webinars on this channel of octafx, and you can find a lot of good ideas, a lot of good topics on this channel. So you can start with this, and it is also free, right? So it is just a free channel. You can start joining the live trading sessions as well. I have a live trading session every single Wednesday, and you guys know the timing. It is 8 p.m. according to Indian time, it is 8 p.m. in the evening. So you can join our live trading sessions. I think they will be amazing source of learning for you. And you can also go to some books. I will recommend you some books to start learning the basics. So first is how to start. Okay, so I will give you a list of books. One is How to Day Trade for a Living by Andrew Aziz. The second book is Trades About to Happen by David Weiss. So these are very interesting books. Trading in the Zone by Mark Douglas. So I think these books are enough for a beginner. If you want to be an expert, then I will of course give you the recommendations about the other books by Steenbarger and Jack Bernstein. Okay, so these books can help you a lot. These are the books to start your trading journey. Okay, so question number three, correct time to trade in the afternoon. Correct time to trade in the afternoon. Okay, so this is a very useful question. I think I will of course I will answer this question by saying that you can start your trading journey if you are living in India. Okay, I'm assuming that you are living in India. If you are living in India, then I can say that you can start your trading day from 11:30 onwards. Okay, 11:30 a.m. in the afternoon. It's not exactly afternoon, but it's just 11:30 in the morning. 11:30 you can start your trading journey, and you can trade all the way up to 2 p.m. So this is 2.5 hours. You can select any 1 hour or maybe 2.5 hours, full 2.5 hours, and that will be good for your trading. Okay, so this is the correct timing to trade. Question number 4, live trade. Okay, so I will give you the live trading recommendations at the end. You can ask me guys about all the live trading recommendations you want. For example, you want about the live trading recommendations in gold or in Euro USD, in GBP JPY, whatever, you can ask me. Somebody has asked me about GBP JPY, so I will give you that, of course. Bhavik ji is saying, as per my experience, I can say there is a lot more volatility to trade with indices. I was trading NAS 100, okay, Nasdaq 100 previously without proper experience on Octa platform and have lost USD 1000. Okay, I am so sorry to learn that you have lost your money, but I think you can recover far more than you have lost. Okay. So now you are experienced, that's very good. Bhavik ji, I encourage you to keep trading because you understand indices, then you can just keep trading indices. That will be good. Okay, so let's go ahead guys. The next question is volume reading skills. Now this is very important. This is a very important question. So how do you read volumes? How do you read volumes? Well, I will show you how to read volumes. So guys, let's say I want to understand what's going on over here. Okay, what time frame is good for a day trader? Okay, so Angela ji, the time frame 2 hours of London session and 2 hours of New York session. You can select any one of these two. Okay, you can select any one of these two, Angela ji. Somebody is asking, okay, so Vidyadhar ji is asking about US 30. I will write down. I will give you the live recommendations about US 30. Okay guys, so now you can see what's going on is actually that when the market is coming down, the red volumes are going down, right? When the market is coming down, the red volumes are going down, and when the market is going up, the green volumes are going up. So try to read the volumes along with me. Okay, try to read the volumes. Let's read volumes. Okay, how to understand the volumes? So when the market is coming down, look at this. When the market is coming down, the red volumes are going down as well, and when the market is going up, the green volumes are going up. That means there is a lot of strength in the market. Now if the market comes down to this level, it is giving you a wonderful opportunity right over here, and you can just enter on this and you can see the market is going up and up and up and up and up. It just kept on going up and up so far. This is how you understand the volumes. Okay. All right, the next question, trading strategy. Okay, so I will give you a 6 trading strategy. Okay, I will give you my own trading strategy guys. I will give you my own trading strategy. Okay, so how do I trade? I have these 5 factors in my trading strategy. So I will give you the 5 factors. Just follow these 5 factors and you will be good. 4 and 5. So first is check the background. If the background is strong, then you will think about buying. If the background is weak, then you will think about selling. Then check if the market is on support or on resistance. Okay, if the market is on support, then you will think about buying. If the market is on the resistance, then you will think about selling. Abhyas ji is asking about one question. Okay, I will give you the answer to that question first. Abhyas ji is asking, okay Abhyas ji, I think the trade seems to be good, but I will strongly recommend that when the market goes up, please turn your trade into a break-even trade. Okay, so for example, if your stop loss is over here right now, when the market goes sufficiently up, please put your stop loss above the break-even over here. Okay, at the entry level. Abhyas Kumar ji. Okay, so let's go ahead. The next one, support, resistance. The third, you will check about the trend line violation. So if the trend line is violated, it will be oversold or overbought. Okay, and then you will check the reference line, and in the end you will think about the entry bar. The entry bars can be 6 entry bars. So I will give you 6 types of entry bars, It will be spring, you can buy. If it is an upthrust, you will sell. If it is a bag holding, you will buy. If it is an ERM bar, you will sell. In the same way, if it is no supply, then you will buy. If it is no demand, you will sell, right? So this is my strategy, guys. This is my simple, very, very simple but powerful strategy. Okay, very simple but powerful strategy. All right, so next question. How much should be the lot size? Okay, so the lot size, it's about lot size. So guys, your lot size depends on the size of your account, of course. Okay, so I will give you a rough idea. I will give you a rough idea about this. So in GBP USD on $1,000 account, trade how much? Trade 0.6 lots. Okay, so let's make it 0.5 just to be on the safe side, you know, just to be on the safe side. In gold XAU USD on $1,000 account, trade how much? Trade 0.25 lots. This is just a broad idea. Of course you will change your, and you will do your own research according to the lot size I have given you. This is just an example. Okay, so reaccumulation or distribution, this is a very important question. So what I do is, okay, so question number 8 is reaccumulation or distribution. So this is the question, right? So how do you know if it is a reaccumulation or a distribution? Well, you can know by knowing the volumes. Just look at the volumes. If the volumes are green, the green volumes are increasing, that means it is a reaccumulation. It is not going to be a distribution. It is going to be a reaccumulation. If the green volumes are increasing, reaccumulation. If the red volumes are increasing, then distribution, of course. All right, guys, so now we will go to the live trading recommendations, but first I want to show you the promo code. Okay, so I will show you the promo. Alright, guys, so let's think about the live trading recommendations now. I will give you the live trading recommendations which you are asking. So about Euro USD, I think I have already given you that this was a good point to buy, but now it is coming down again to give you another opportunity. So it might get tested over here. If this is making a test, then you can buy again. If it is falling down, then you will stay away from it. I think the market seems to be aggressively downward, so I will not encourage you to buy right now. Okay, stay away from the market right now. If you want to make a day trade, then it is not a good market for the day trade right now, because it is also the night time. Okay, so just stay away from the market currently. The Euro USD, stay away from the market right now is not the good time. Okay, so what else do we have? GBP USD. Okay, so I will go to GBP USD 1 hour time frame, and I will show you that the GBP USD seems to be in a downtrend. This was overbought over here. Now if it is trying to go up, I will wait for the market to give me a signal around this level. If the market comes up to this level and then makes an up thrust, then I will be willing to sell. If the market behaves like this, then I will be willing to sell. Otherwise, there is no trade right now. What else do we have? We have US 30. Okay, so I will go to US 30, and give you the recommendation. Okay, the market seems to be in a downtrend, in a heavy downtrend, and there's no support level right now. So what I will do is I will wait for the market. I will wait for the market to come to this level. If the market comes to this level, then I will wait for the market to give me a spring situation just like this, and then it goes up and then makes a spring over here. Only then I will make a buy trade over here. Right now there is nothing to do, so don't do anything right now. Okay guys, so that is the end of our session. I hope you guys got some good ideas. As always, please give us a thumbs up, because we highly appreciate that, and it will help me with the algorithms. Thank you so much for everybody for coming, and I wish you all the best. I will leave you with the promo code one more time.